Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to merge queries in Power BI Query Editor. So to understand this, we'll go in Excel file. In this Excel sheet, we are having master table, which consists of roll number, name of the student, and marks. And in transaction table, we are having roll number, house, and spots. Now we want to link this master table with the transaction table. How we can do this? So for this, we'll go in Power BI. Click on Excel workbook. Click on Merge One Dataset. Open. Click on the master table and the transaction table. Transform the data. So just click on the master table. It's the same thing which we had seen in the Excel file. And click on the transaction table. Now go in Merge Queries. Merge Queries as new. So here the transaction table is on. We want to merge this with the transaction table. How we can do? Click here. So transaction table with the master table. Still the OK is not active. No need to worry. We want to connect the transaction table with the master table, but we'll require one common parameter. Click on the roll number here and click on the roll number. Now the OK is active. The selection matches 6 of 6 rows from the first table. Done. Click OK. So both the sheets have been merged, but still in here it does not display the marks. What we can do, we can click here, remove all of them and just activate the marks. Click OK. Done. So this is a way the master table is merged with the transaction table. So this is the way you can merge queries in Power BI Query Editor. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link given in the description box.